Flax appears in the agricultural record of virtually every major ancient civilization. Egyptian mummies were wrapped in linen woven from flax fiber. The Fertile Crescent civilizations that developed written language were growing flax simultaneously, and traditional medicine systems across Europe and Asia have documented its seeds as a nutritional and medicinal resource for millennia. Despite this extraordinary depth of human relationship with the plant, flax does not appear in most modern home garden planning, and the reason is straightforwardly commercial. The processed products of flax production, linseed oil and linen fabric, are manufactured industrially at prices that make home production feel unnecessary despite the agronomic simplicity of the crop itself. A serious home gardener has different calculations to apply. Freshly harvested and ground flaxseed has a nutritional profile, omega-3 fatty acid content, lignan concentration, soluble fiber composition, that declines measurably with storage time and temperature exposure after processing. The flaxseed purchased from a health food store in a sealed bag has been through a supply chain that may be weeks or months from harvest to purchase, and the nutritional value present at harvest has declined across that period. Flaxseed harvested from a home garden and processed within days of harvest has the nutritional profile the crop is actually capable of rather than the residual profile of a stored commercial product. For a serious home grower who values food quality rather than convenience, that distinction matters. Flax is a cool season annual that prefers soil temperatures between 50 and 65 degrees Fahrenheit at sowing and tolerates spring frost after establishment, which makes it an early season crop in most temperate climates. Direct sowing 4 to 6 weeks before the last frost date into prepared, weed-free soil at 1/4 inch depth and 2-inch plant spacing is the entire establishment protocol. No indoor starting, no transplanting, no heated germination, no intensive early management. The plant emerges within a week in cool moist soil, establishes rapidly, and begins its upright growth toward the pale blue flower display that appears in late June and July from a spring planting. The flowering period is one of the more interesting visual characteristics of a flax planting. Each individual flower lasts approximately 1 day before dropping its petals and beginning seed capsule development. New flowers open continuously at the growing tip for 3 to 4 weeks, which means the plant is in bloom continuously across that period despite no individual flower lasting more than a day. Below the current day's flowers, yesterday's spent blooms are developing into the round brown seed capsules that will eventually hold the seed. Consistent development across the 12 to 14 weeks from sowing to harvest depends on nutritional availability that does not run out before the most important growth stage arrives. Seed fill, the final 3 to 4 weeks where developing seeds accumulate the oils, lignans, and fatty acids that define flax nutritionally, is the period when nutritional availability matters most, and the nutritional supply provided by a single planting time application of quick-release fertilizer is frequently depleted well before seed fill begins. Milorganite slow release. Nitrogen feeds the flax crop at the pace the soil biology processes it into plant-available form, which maintains nutritional availability across the full growing season rather than front-loading it into the early growth stages. Applied when plants reach 6 inches rather than at planting, because the crop's nutritional demand is highest during active growth and seed fill rather than during establishment, it is what ensures the seed that is harvested has the nutritional density that justifies growing flax at home rather than buying it from a store. The link is in the description. Subscribe to Garden Guru. The product links are in the description. See you in the next one.